welcome the two Alexis to introduce the TedHair. Yeah, first question, how do you know the TedHair first?
I actually installed this hair on my own and I got so many compliments on it and everybody wanted to know where I got it from and who do I sell it. So that's where I got my inspiration from, and yes, I love TedHair and also my clients love it just as much as I do. So I'm definitely going to keep coming back to Ted.
Yeah.
So at home.
Great. So how do you think about the quality?
Oh, I love the quality. It's very soft. That's my main thing. It is very fluffy and light. And you know what? The one thing that I really look at is the bundles are full. They're not thin. They're nice and thick and full as well.
Great.
Yes.
So how about your customers' feedback? They like it?
Yes, they do like it. They definitely tell me they love this hair and that they want me to keep coming with this brand of hair, and they're going to keep coming back.
Great, great. So happy and hope. Thank you so much for the two Alex. Okay.